The old way we are doing is the manual inspection. We use a handheld thermal imager. So it takes long to inspect
40 kilometers pipeline.
We started using drones in 2016, 17.
So we started inspection using that, and we compared that the man hours, the resources that we used previously is had drastically reduced.
When we use the drone, we don't need to walk near the pipelines, no?
The application of drone will be important in our operations as well as in our maintenance activities. No? That too will be of great help in the operations of our geothermal facility, particularly in us trying to optimize our way of working from operations, doing inspections, monitoring, to maintenance, and site responses before any repair.